Sentence patterns. There are 7 tables in the meeting room. Kaigeshetsu ni teboro ga nanatsu arimasu. Kaigeshetsu meeting room. Ni particle indicating location. Teboro table. Ga subject marker. Nanatsu 7 used for counting items. Arimasu there are or exist used for inanimate objects. I will stay in Japan for 1 year. Ichi kan Nihon ni imasu. 1 年間 1 year. Nihon, Japan. Ni particle indicating location. Imasu to stay or exist. Used for animate objects. How many apples did you buy? Ringo ikutsu kaimashita ka? Ringo apples. O is direct object marker. Ikutsu how many? Kaimashita bought. Ka is a question marker. I bought 4. Yutsu kaimashita. Yutsu 4 used for counting items. Kaimashita bought. Give me 5 80 yen stamps and 2 postcards, please. 80 yen kite o 5つとはがきを2つください. Certainly, that's 500 yen in all. かしこまりました。全部で500円です。80 yen, 80 yen. Kite stamp. 5つ 5 for small objects. Hagaki postcard. 2つ 2 for small objects. Kudasai, please give me. Kashikomarimashita, certainly polite. Zenbo de in all. Goyako en 500 yen. Are there foreign teachers at Fuji University? Fuji Daigako ni Gaikokujin no sensei ga imasu ka? Yes, there are 3. They are all Americans. Hai, 3人います。みんなアメリカ人です。Fuji Daigako, Fuji University. Gaikokujin, foreigner. No is a possessive particle. Sensei, teacher. Imasu, there are existence of animate objects. 3nin, 3 people. Minna, all. Americajin, Americans. How many people are there in your family? Anata no kazoku wa nanin desu ka? There are 5. My parents, my elder sister, my elder brother, and me. 5人です。両親と兄と兄と私です。あなたの your 家族 family. 何人 how many people. 5人 5 people. 両親 parents. Elder sister 姉. Elder brother 兄. 私 me. How many times a week do you play tennis? 1週間に何回テニスをしますか? I play it about twice a week. 1週間に2回ぐらいします。1週間 a week. 何回 how many times. Tennis します do or play. 2回 twice. ぐらい about. How long did you study Spanish, Mr. Tanaka? 田中さんはどのぐらいスペイン語を勉強しましたか? I studied it for 3 months. 3ヶ月勉強しました。Only 3 months? You speak it very well. 3ヶ月だけとても上手ですね。 Explanation. Tanaka-san, Mr. Tanaka. Dunogurai, how long? Supaingo, Spanish language. O, object particle. Benkyou shimashita, studied. Sankagetsu, 3 months. Dake, only. Totimo, very. Jozu, skilled, good at. Desne, isn't it? Polite confirmation. How long does it take from Osaka to Tokyo by Shinkansen? Osaka kara Tokyo made Shinkansen de donogurai kakarimasu ka? It takes 2.5 hours. Nijikan han kakarimasu. Explanation. Osaka, kara, from. Tokyo, made, to, until. Shinkansen, bullet train. Donogurai, how long. Kakarimasu, takes, time. Nijikanhan, 2.5 hours. Conversation. Please send this by sea mail. Nice weather, isn't it? Are you going out? Ii tenki desu ne. Dikakimasu ka? Yes, I am going to the post office. Hi, Yobinkyo ni ikimasu. Really? See you later. Honto? Ja mata ne. See you. Ja mata. I would like to send this by special delivery. Kore o tokobetsu ben de okoritai desu. Sure. To Australia? That's 370 yen. Kashikomarimashita? Oh, Sotoraria made desu ka? 370 yen desu. And also this parcel. Kono kozutsumi mo onegai shimasu. By sea mail or air mail? Funabin desu ka? Kokobin desu ka? How much is sea mail? Funabin wa ikura desu ka? 500 yen. Goya koen desu. How long will it take? Dono korai kakarimasu ka? It will take about 1 month. Ichi kagetsu gurai kakarimasu. Well, please send it by sea mail. Ja, funabin de onegai shimasu. Reference words and information. Menu. Teishuku, set meal. Ranchi, set meal in the Western style. Tendon, a bowl of rice with fried fish and vegetables. Oyakodon, a bowl of rice with chicken and egg. Gyudon, a bowl of rice with beef. Yakiniku, grilled meat. Yasai itame, sauteed vegetables. Tsukemono, pickles. Misoshiro, miso soup. Onigiri, rice ball. Tempura, fried seafood and vegetables. Sushi, vinegared rice with raw fish. Udon, Japanese noodles made from wheat flour. Japanese noodles made from buckwheat flour, soba. Ramen, Chinese noodles in soup with meat and vegetables. Yakisoba, Chinese stir-fried noodles with pork and vegetables. Okonomiyaki, a type of pancake grilled with meat, vegetables, and egg. Curry rice, curry and rice. Hamburg steak. Korokke, croquette, ebi fry, fried shrimp, fried chicken, fried chicken, sarada, salad, supu, soup, spaghetti, spaghetti, pizza, pizza, hamburger, hamburger, sandwich, sandwich, toast, toast, coffee, coffee, kocha, black tea, cocoa, cocoa, juice, juice, cola, cola. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Matane!